These are solutions to quiz number 2 of Calc 3. Number 1, find the cross product of A is 4i minus 2j plus 3k, and the vector B, negative 3i plus j minus 2k. You were supposed to show me the determinant. So A cross B is ijk, components of A, 4, negative 2, 3, components of B, negative 3, 1, negative 2. So the I component, cover this up and take this determinant, negative 2, negative 3, 1, negative 2 is 4 minus 3. J component, cover this up, will be the opposite, so there's a negative in front of the whole thing, of 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, minus a negative 9. And the K component is 4 minus 6. So this is 1, the opposite of negative 8 plus 9, which is 1. So negative 1 and negative 2. So 1, negative 1, negative 2. Number 2, you're going from 6, 2, negative 3 to 8, negative 1, 2. So the direction vector is delta x, delta y, delta z, which is basically x2 minus x1, 8 minus 6 is 2. y2 minus y1, negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. And then delta z2 minus a negative 3 is 5. So you put x is starting point plus 2t, y is starting y value 2 minus 3t, and z is starting value is negative 3 plus 5t. What you can double check is plug in 0. Plug in 0, 0, 0, you have 6, 2, negative 3. Plug in 1, 1, 1, 6 plus 2 is 8. Yep, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Yep, negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Yep. Okay, so here are parametric equations. Symmetric equations, just solve them all for t. Isolate t. So t is equal to x minus 6 over 2 equals y minus 2 over negative 3 equals z plus 3 over 5. And number 3, the traces. The x equals 0 plane is the yz plane. By convention, z is always up. So y and z. So if you plug in x is 0, that gives you 0 equals z squared minus y squared, which means y squared equals z squared, or y is plus or minus z. Those are lines going through the origin, slope of 1 and negative 1. You plug in y equals 0, which means the xz plane, again, the convention is z is always up, z is always up, z is always up. Okay, plug in y equals 0, you have x equals z squared, and I have to think, if this is x, this is sort of like the y, so it's like x equals y squared. All right, I remember x equals y squared is a parabola opening to the right. Okay, then the z equals 0 plane is our conventional xy plane, and we've known that x is always here and y is here. So put a 0 here, x equals negative y squared, and that's a parabola opening to the right, as you can see here. All right, so that's quiz number 2 for Calc 3.